Hello students, welcome back. Today we'll continue with chapter number 5, that is complex number and quadratic equation. Today we'll start with exercise 5.2. Find the modulus and argument of each of the following complex number in exercise 1 to 2. So let's start with the first. First it is given z equal to minus 1 minus I root it's root 3. So modulus r will be equal to under root of minus 1 square, that is 1, plus root 3 square, that is 3. Okay, or else let me write down in detail. This is equal to modulus of z under root of minus 1 square plus root 3 square. This will be equal to under root of minus 1 square 1 plus root 3 square 3. So root 4 answer is 2. This is modulus. Now, argument means theta. Now for that what is x? X is minus 1 and y minus root 3. We are considering this way, x plus iy. So y is minus root 3. Sorry, not plus, minus root 3. So tan theta, that will be equal to minus root 3 upon minus 1, and that is equal to root 3, because y minus root 3 formula of tan theta was equal to y by x. So that is minus root 3 upon minus 1. So root 3. Now when does the value of tan theta is root 3? That is 60 degree, that is pi by 3. But in this case, x is less than 0, y is less than 0. That means it is in third quadrant, right? If I take this way, in third quadrant, x and y both are negative. So in third quadrant, it will be pi, that is this pi plus alpha. Now here alpha is equal to pi by 3, right? Here alpha is equal to pi by 3, this angle. So this will be equal to theta equal to, as it is in third quadrant, pi plus pi by 3. So the answer is 4 pi by 3. Okay, or else you can also use the other way, like tan theta is equal to minus root 3 upon minus 1, that is root 3, so pi by 3. I can also take the answer as theta is equal, I will take minus sign and then pi minus pi by 3. Okay, now see, this is the first case. Now the second case which I am taking is this one. So this is pi, and from that I am subtracting this alpha, and it is, as it is in negative direction. Okay, I am drawing the larger figure. Here this is the case. So in first case, pi plus alpha. In second case, when I am going negative side, this is pi minus alpha. Okay, so that is pi, but I am going in negative direction, so I am putting minus sign. Clear? So this will be minus 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi by 3. Okay, so either write down 4 pi by 3. In this case we are taking 0 to 2 pi, 0 less than theta less than 2 pi. In this case we are taking minus pi less than theta less than pi. So from this to this. Okay, so this was about question number 1. Note it down. Now second question, z is equal to minus root 3 plus I. So our x is equal to minus root 3 and y is equal to 1. So the modulus r will be equal to under root of x square plus y square minus root 3 square, that will be 3. 1 y square 1. So this will be equal to again root 4, and that is equal to 1. Now for argument, Tan theta that is equal to y by x. What is y? 1. X minus root 3. Okay, so the value is minus 1 by root 3. Now when does the value of tan is 1 by root 3? 30 degree, that is pi by 6. Okay, now which quadrant it is? X less than 0, y greater than 0. Okay, x negative, y positive. So this is in second quadrant. Okay, and in second quadrant we will use pi minus alpha. So theta is equal to pi minus pi by 6. That is equal to 5 pi by 6. Clear? So this was about question number 2. So just note it down. Sorry, here there is a mistake. Here it will be 2, not 4. Now let's move to the next questions. Question number 3. Z equal to 1 minus I. And the question is convert each of the complex number given in exercise 3 to 8 in the polar form. Okay, so here what is our x? 1. Y minus 1. So modulus R is equal to under root of x square, that is 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1, that is root 2. Tan theta y by x. So y by x, that is minus 1 upon 1, that is minus 1. So value of tan theta is 1, it will be in pi, it will be pi by 4. Now x greater than 0, y less than 0. So x positive, y negative, that will be in fourth quadrant. X positive, y negative, fourth quadrant. So theta will be equal to minus alpha. So minus pi by 4. So the polar form z is equal to r, that is root 2 cos theta, that is cos minus pi by 4, plus I sin theta, I sin pi by 4. This is the polar form of third one. Clear? Clear. Now let's see the fourth one. Z equal to minus 1 plus I. Here x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to plus 1. So r, that is modulus under root of x square, that is minus 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1, that is equal to root 2. Now for argument, tan theta, that is equal to y upon x. What is y? 1 x minus 1. So again answer is minus 1. So alpha is equal to pi by 4. But here x is less than 0, y is greater than 0. Right? X negative should have been this way, y positive it will be in this way. So it's in second quadrant. So theta will be equal to pi minus alpha. So pi minus pi by 4. So it will be 3 pi by 4. Here, so polar form z will be equal to r, that is root 2 cos theta, that is cos 3 pi by 4 plus I sin theta, that is sin 3 pi by 4. This is the polar form for question number 4, that is z equal to minus I plus root I. Here, now let's see the fifth question. Fifth question, z equal to minus 1 minus I. here x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1. The modulus r will be equal to under root of x square, that is minus 1 square 1, plus y square again minus 1 square, that will be equal to 1. So that is equal to root 2. Okay, so the modulus is root 2. Now tan theta, that is equal to y upon x. So what is y? Minus 1. And what is x? Minus 1. This is equal to plus 1. So again alpha is equal to pi by 4. The value of tan is 1 at pi by 4. But now x is less than 0, y is less than 0. So what does this mean? X negative, y negative. So it will be alpha minus pi because it is in third quadrant. So here it is in third quadrant. So theta is equal to alpha, that is pi by 4 minus pi. So this is equal to pi by 4 minus 4 pi, that is 3 pi by minus 3 pi by 4. Pi minus 4 pi by 4. So argue polar form z is equal to r, that is 1, sorry, root 2 cos minus 3 pi by 4, just a minute, plus I sine minus 3 pi by 4. Okay, this is the polar form for question number 5, that is z equal to minus 1 minus I. So this was about question number 3, 4 and 5. So just note it down. Now let's see the next question, sixth. Question number 6. Okay. Now see question number 6. Z is equal to minus 3. Now this can be written as minus 3 plus 0i. So x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 0. So modulus r is equal to under root of x square, that is minus 3 square, 3 plus 0 square, that is 0. So that is root 3. Now see y is 0. So what was our shortcut? Or see y is 0 and x is negative. So this is, so what is this angle? Pi. No need to use tan theta. Directly you can say theta is equal to pi. So the polar form r is equal to r, that is root 3 cos theta, that is cos pi, plus I sin theta, I sin pi. Okay, so this was about question number 6. Remember, when y is 0, I'm not using 10, I'm just plotting it on the graph, right? X is minus 3, so it will be somewhere here minus 3, y is 0. So this is the complex number. So the angle making is pi with respect to positive x-axis. Now let's see the seventh one. Z is equal to root 3 plus I. So x is equal to root 3 and y is equal to 1. So modulus under root of x square, that is root 3 square, 3 root 1 square, 1 square 1, that is root 4 and that is equal to 2. Now tan theta, that is equal to y by x, that is 1 by root 3. So the value of 10 is 1 by root 3 at pi by 6, 30 degree, right? Now, as both x is positive, y is positive, so the complex number will be in first quadrant, so it will be equal to alpha. So theta is equal to alpha is equal to pi by 6. So the representing it in polar form, z is equal to r, that is 2 cos theta, that is pi by 6, plus I sine pi by 6. This is the answer for 7th. This is the answer for 6th. Now let's see the last one of this exercise, that is question number 8. Question number 8, that is z is equal to I. So I can represent it in 0 plus 1I. So here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So the modulus r will be equal to under root of x square, that is 0 square 0, plus y square, that is 1. So root 1, that will be equal to 1. Okay. So now theta, now we know that it is 1. Now when I plot it on graph, x is 0 and y is 1, so it will be this way. So now what is the angle it is making with positive x-axis? Pi by 2. See, when any one of the component, that is either x or y is 0, no need to use tan theta. Just plot it on the graph and find out the angle. x0, y1, so this will be the 0, 1 complex number. So angle is pi by 2. So here theta is equal to pi by 2. So its polar form will be z is equal to r, that is 1 cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. This is the polar form of question number 8. Okay, so this was about 6, 7 and 8. So just note it down. Okay, so this was about 6th root, sorry, here there is a mistake, it's 3 square. Right, x square, so this will be equal to root of 3 square, so it will be 3. So here there is a mistake, so just make a note of it. Now note down question 6, 7th and 8. Okay, now let's take one extra sum. Z is equal to 1 minus I upon 1 plus I. Express it in polar form. Okay, so first we need to convert it into x plus iy or a plus ib. So 1 minus I into, I can write down 1 plus I inverse. 1 minus I. Now what was our shortcut for using 1 plus I inverse? 1 upon under root of 1 square plus 1 square. So 2 root 2. Sorry, not root of, is just 1 square plus 1 square. Plus, now you need to change this sign, so it will be minus. What is the coefficient of I? Again 1 upon 1 square plus 1 square I. So this will be 1 minus I into 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 I. Okay, 1 by root 2 I can take common. So it will be 1 minus I, and this will be 1 minus I. So 1 by root 2 into 1 minus I whole square. 1 by root 2. Now this will be equal to a square plus 2ab means minus 2ai plus I square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be equal to z equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 minus 2i. Now what is I square? I square is minus 1. So it will be equal to minus 1. So this will be equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 it will get cancelled minus 2i. So this will be equal to root 2 1s are root 2 sir. Minus root 2i. That means 0 minus root 2i. X equal to 0. Y equal to minus root 2. So modulus under root of 0 square plus root 2 square, that is 2. So this will be equal to root 2. For theta, we know that x is 0 and y is minus. So this is the angle, it's minus pi by 2. So the polar form will be r, that is root 2 cos minus pi by 2 plus I sine minus pi by 2. Okay, so this is the answer for this extra sum. Clear? So just note it down. Okay, Shwan, so that's it for today. Thank you.